Hey friends, if you wish to download and install and use the Netflix app on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open the Microsoft Store and search for Netflix and hit enter, and then click on Netflix and then click on install, and it will start installing the Netflix app on your system. You can wait meanwhile. Once the app is installed, click on open. This will open the Netflix app, and it's a very light app actually. And after that, wait for the page to load. Click on sign in, enter your email ID and then your password and hit enter, and it will start signing in. Now I'll pick my name in this and I will be able to sign into this. So this is the app. You can also download movies using this app. And now I'll scroll down. I'll click on this option here. I can select the genre of movies I like, and I can also access my account by clicking on these three dots here and then selecting settings. So I have my account details here, and I can also change other settings, and I can also download movies and all. But I'll tell you something. So the difference between the Netflix website and the app is that you will not have to access your browser each and every time to watch Netflix if you have downloaded the Netflix app, and you can use it on your system even when the internet is not working by downloading these movies to the Netflix app itself, and you can download as many movies as you want to. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.